Good day everyone. Today I'll be discussing key elements of waste management, focusing on the categories of waste, processing methods, critical problems, interdisciplinary approaches, and the path forward towards a sustainable future. Let's begin with the overview of waste management. Waste can be broken into several key categories. Municipal solid waste, or MSW, is a waste generated from households, office, schools, and institutions. This includes food waste, plastics, and paper, everyday items we discard. In contrast, industrial waste is more varied, covering everything from packaging materials to toxic chemicals. Interestingly, agricultural practices also contribute significantly, with agricultural waste like livestock byproducts and crop residues becoming more prevalent as food production increases. Finally, there's hazardous waste, which is produced by industries like healthcare and nuclear facilities, often requiring specialized disposal due to its toxicity. Now, moving on to waste processing methods. In Malaysia, landfilling is the most common way to manage waste. This involves dumping waste into controlled areas like landfill Bukit Merah, which has systems to prevent groundwater contamination and capture methane for energy. Incineration is Japan's go-to method, largely because of land scarcity. Japan has over 1,200 incineration facilities, many of which generate electricity while reducing waste volumes. By burning waste at very high temperatures, Japan reduces its waste footprint and harnesses energy at the same time. Other methods include recycling and material recovery, which has seen substantial improvements in countries like Japan and Korea. Composting, while widespread on a small scale, has had limited success when applied to larger municipal systems due to high operating costs and contamination issues. Despite these methods, there are significant challenges. Many countries, including those in the Asia-Pacific region, face critical problems in managing waste. Governments often fail to prioritize waste management, leading to poor planning, insufficient funding, and ineffective legislation. One alarming issue is microplastic pollution. Malaysia ranks globally in highest globally in microplastic consumption. These tiny plastic particles, less than 5 mm in length, are found in our food chain, primarily through seafood. They are linked to serious health risks, including cancer. Unfortunately, poor plastic waste management, illegal imports, and low recycling rates exacerbate the problem, leaving our environment and health vulnerable. To tackle these issues effectively, we need interdisciplinary approaches. A great example is the use of data science visualization, such as geographic information systems, GIS analytics, which helps map and monitor waste management sites. On the chemical front, methods like pyrolysis break down plastic waste into reusable materials, and waste valorization converts waste into valuable resources. From a systems engineering perspective, we can centralize or decentralize waste management processes to increase efficiency. Educational policies promoting the 3 Rs, reduce, reuse, recycle, are also crucial, especially when introduced early in schools, creating awareness from a young age. Looking ahead, our goal should be to create a sound material cycle society which focuses on reducing waste, recycling more, and minimizing landfills. This concept is closely tied to the circular economy, where waste materials are reused and repurposed, ensuring resources stay in use for as long as possible. By following these sustainable practices, we can reduce our environmental impact, preserve our ecosystems, and secure a healthy future for generations to come. In conclusion, waste management is a complex issue that requires a multifaceted approach. By understanding the categories of waste, improving our processing methods, addressing critical shortcomings, and embracing interdisciplinary solutions, we can collectively move towards a sustainable, circular economy. Let's take action now to preserve the Earth and its resources for the future. Thank you for your time.